Hey guys, welcome back to another Vegas Pro tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to use Gaussian blur effect on your videos and how to use them and blend them with your text. So let's start. First of all, we want to open up our Vegas Pro. Okay, our Vegas Pro is opened. Now just go to file, go to new, and you want to change it to best. Change the resample mode to disabled and motion blur type, make sure it's on Gaussian, and click on OK. So you want to import your video file. We're going to use this. Okay, yeah. So first of all, you want to cut out the portion of the video that you want to be blurred out and you want to use for your text. So this is going to be the intro. We're going to cut out here. I want to split, and we're going to cut out the 10-second part split. So this is going to be the blurred out area, and we're going to create another layer for the text. So for the text, you right click and click on insert text media. Then you could just put your text welcome to the video. You adjust the size, make it bigger, not too big, add some bold, maybe change the font text, make it bigger, and you could change the color, but I'm gonna change it to blue. Okay, maybe not blue. Yeah, that's better. And we're gonna add some animation. Dropping words will do. So I want to align our text with our blurred out video clip. So you could increase your text or you could shorten your video clip. So you shorten this and you match this up. So as you can see right now, we have our text, but it isn't blurred. So to blur out the image, the video, we're gonna come here, make sure this is opened. We're gonna go to FX, and right here we're gonna go to Gaussian blur. You wanna add it and OK. So as you can see, the Gaussian blur has been applied. This is the video clip with Gaussian blur and no Gaussian blur. So you can adjust it, but the default is always the best, and it is as easy as that. So let's watch it from the beginning. And welcome to the video, and it loads up. Watch it one more time. Welcome to the video, and it blows out. So thank you guys for watching. That is how to add Gaussian blur to your video. Hope you guys found this video informative. Hope it helped you. Like, comment what video you would like me to post next, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps. Thank you guys. Stay safe. See you in the next video.